So now you would think we go to our content view, come here, just say we want a map view, and the magic will happen. But not so easy. We need to create a container for our map view. So let's just click a new SwiftUI view and call this map container view. And once we have our map container view, we need to give it our COVID fetch request. So we say at observed object var COVID fetch is equals to COVID where is it? Fetch request. So we create a request and what we want here. Instead of our text, I want to say map view country data, and here this is binding variable, so we put a $, and then we say COVID fetch dot all countries, and this one doesn't need a $sign there. So this way we should be able to see our map view. But before we can see our map view, of course, we need to go to our this tab bar controller, which is our content view. And after our recent, I'm just going to copy this, paste it here, call this map container view. And this is going to be map, which is the image, and maps, actually map, and the tag is 0. The first one was 0, this is tag 1. So let's run, fingers crossed, of course. And we have another button, click on it. Oh, it's working. Let's zoom out. You see, we have so many pins here. And let's also test one more thing while we're here, a dark mode. Just switch to dark mode, and voila, we have a dark mode. And here, beautiful, we have everything here. Just let's go ahead and change the background here, which is our line header. I am going to where is that color name thing? Let's copy this, go to our line header, background, I just put the same color, run, look in white, looks nice. Check out in a dark mode, looks even better, to be honest. I prefer dark mode personally. I don't know what about you, but I have my phone on dark mode. See, it would be nice if we had here go all the way on top. So in our where is it, content view, let's put a line, say edge ignoring safe area, put vertical. So now our map is kind of full screen, so we don't have this bar hiding behind. Very nice. So this is our application. It's ready. We can get all the information. The reason I was saying about the core data, this is a challenge for you. I'm not going to cover in this course. If you want to do it, you can do it. What is good, because remember the free part is 50,000 calls for this specific API. If you don't want to do it, actually there are a few APIs here that provide free data, so you can do unlimited calls. But if you want to play around, what you can do is every time you fetch the information, you save it into core data. and you keep this information, and let's say you refresh every hour, every 2 hours, or every day, depending whatever you want. So whenever this time pass, you get to fetch new information, put it, delete all the stuff from your core data, put all new information into core data, and present this to the user. Because the reporting is not so often, every time you send a request to the API, it counts on you. So if you want to make these requests less, you get it, save it locally, and once some kind of time pass, you will grab new and refresh local database. In this case, especially when you have health information which doesn't really refresh every 5 minutes, you can do this in order to minimize your network usage and of course your API usage. So if you want to try that, you can do it. Just a few tips. What you need to do is to create obviously the core data model. You can use the same logic that we created our model here, and then you save it to a core data and load it from core data as well. And once some kind of X amount of time passes, this is up to you what you put, you also fetch from the API and refresh your core data with this information. And that's it. So this is our course. If you want, if you liked it, check out my other courses. And I may be making this same application with traditional UI view instead of SwiftUI. I will see how it goes, and if I do, I will post it here as well. So thank you again for watching this course, and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.